Legends of Learning presents the Block Castle game.
New
This is a
game.
math game that makes learning about mixed,
Let's build an awesome
nonverbal,
block castle.
verbal, and quantitative
Every time you solve a
analogies
puzzle,
fun
You'll get
and
more
easy
blocks
to
add your
understand.
castle. Keep playing and watch your castle grow bigger and taller. Are you ready to play?
In this informative
Great job.
instructional game, help solve different math
You got a gold
puzzles
star.
to help you learn
Click
more
the
about
star to
different math
continue.
sequences. Use the mouse to click on different objects to complete math puzzles, testing your ability to solve sequences with missing objects.
Excellent. You solved it. You got a blue star. Click the star to continue.
Use your math skills and identify which shapes are missing and solve the sequence puzzles by selecting the correct missing objects from the list. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.
How many balls are next? Wonderful. You solved another puzzle.